Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we are going to talk about how to get a free domain and a free hosting. On my previous video I did a video on how to get a free hosting and a free domain, and I got a lot of comments from you guys. Some said thank you, it's working, depends on the country they are, and some said it's not working. Okay, so that is why I bring out another video. This is awesome video for you to watch carefully from the beginning to the end, so that you can understand how the free domain and the free hosting works. Okay, don't skip this video, watch this video so that you can know what to do and know your next step, instead of going around the internet watching how to get the free domain and the free host. This is the right place and this is the right video you would like to watch, okay, and learn. I'm going to show you one crazy things that you need to know. I bought a hosting, a domain and hosting. I bought a domain and hosting from Host Africa. Okay, so I bought a domain and hosting here. So what I do, I created the custom domain name. I can put something like your domain name dot. Okay, so let me quickly show you guys. And guys, also you can create email, a custom email. You can see what they provide here. You can create your custom email anyhow you want to do it. Okay, your webmail, everything is here. So you just, for you to scroll down here, you can see you have your own file manager. Promise you guys, put it on the comment section if you have seen a free hosting and a free domain name that offers you a file manager. If the hosting is working, other part will be like you not get the cPanel. Okay, and this one now you get a cPanel to manage all your plugins and themes if you are a WordPress designer. Okay, so as you can see now, I have my file manager here, that everything is here. Okay, so this is my file manager. As you can see here, this is the file manager, and this website is currently working. Okay, so let me go back to the cPanel here. Okay, I'll scroll down here, then I'll see domains. Under these domains you see another domain here. Okay, click on it. Then tips that I want to show you now, okay, is that if you are buying a domain name, you said, okay, I want to use this domain name for like 5 or 6 websites. Okay, so create on domain dot. Let me just type it here so that I'm not searching anything, I'm just typing so that you see how you can customize your own. I already bought this domain name because if they want to you want to build a website for a company, business and all, they can provide their custom domain name. So this is their custom domain name I bought. So I just want to show you guys how you can get this done. Just in mind that if you want to create your subdomain, this is what we are doing. We are going to create domains on the domain you purchase. You are only purchasing one domain. Okay, and you create subdomain under it. I know that you are not looking for subdomain, but this is helpful to you. Okay, we are searching on how to get free domain and hosting. It may work today, but it won't work tomorrow. Okay, so create something like this, gw.com or .ng, anyhow you want to do, because I think the .com .something is better than, like, it's cheaper than .com domain. Okay, so you can create something like this, gw.com. okay, so you carry it in mind that any subdomain that you want to create, it's going to be like this, the gw dot, let me see, your custom domain blog.com. okay, so this is sorry, .com. So this is nice. If you are creating something like this gw is meaningless. The main focus they want to focus, even though it's a company domain name, let's say let me just put it like this, oil and gas. So you can see here, this gw means nothing, and you can take this blash something, you can take this blash oil and gas .com. okay, and this is very simple, instead of you looking for cheap domains. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to my create now. Let me erase this. Okay, so once you are done purchasing the domain, let's say www.gw.com. okay, you can buy the gw.com so that you'll be creating subdomain, even though the domain name is long or short, it will enter. Okay, so what I'm going to do, under your domains, when you go to your file, your cPanel, under your domains you see domain, click on it. Okay, So you see the domain, the available domain I have here. I can create a multiple domains, subdomains here. So instead of you going around looking for free domain and hosting, create a subdomain and use. Buy one domain, create subdomains inside. Okay. And if you want to get a cheap domain and hosting, just put it on the comment section so that I can refer you to places that you can buy cheap and secure hosting and domain. Okay. So I will click on this create a new domain now. So the available domain name here, as you can see, this is Kalahari Energy and logistic.com.ng. okay. So if you want to create something, that is why I said if you want to create something, okay, create buy the domain name that is let's say short, very very short, either 2 or 3 letters, so that if you want to create your subdomain, it won't affect and it won't show up anything. Okay, so what I'll do now, I'll copy this, because if you are not putting the domain name on the subdomain, it won't work. So I'll create my tutorial, okay, dot, I'll paste the domain name here. So I'll remove this, as you can see. Okay, so they just created this for me. Do you mean tutorial.kalahari energy and logistic no, I said Kalahari energy and logistic.com.ng, which is here. So they have created it for us. Okay, so what you need to do is for you to click on this submit. So you can see here it takes a moment to create a new domain. This occurs on account with as you can see. This is very very simple. So what do you need to do if you are a web developer, if you are a WordPress designer? Just go into here, as you can see, this is tutorial.kalahari energy something. So I can click on this manage now. I can click on manage for you to check how it works and how everything is. You can manage your domain name here, you can remove it from here, okay, and you can create an email address. This is what I told you guys, and this gives you full access to everything you need to get. Okay, you can modify the directory, you can create a site with Site builder, you can use everything here. It's well customized. So what I will do, if you are a WordPress designer, I'll go ahead to install the WordPress so that you see how everything works. Okay, I'll go ahead and install the WordPress. So let me go back to my cPanel, scroll down. I told you guys, if you need any cheap hosting and domain, just put it on the comment section. I won't come to your place or anywhere you are and say, okay, you need a subdomain, you need a cheap hosting and domain. Okay, you be the one that put it on the comment section. If you have any question to have, put it on the comment section. Also, my comment section is open for questions and answers. Okay, and if you are new on my channel, this is the case also. I go around and do a research of things that is working. I come back to my channel to show you guys, and this is something that is working. I made a first video and you guys comment a lot. Some said it's work and some said it's not working. Okay, so that is why I come out with a better idea and a better of things that is working, and this is 100% working no matter where you are. Okay, so go to your software manager. Okay, so as you can see here, I can start installing my WordPress. Okay, if you are using any hosting that you are using. Okay, so I can click on install. Where do I want to install this WordPress? I want to install this WordPress on my subdomain, on the subdomain I created. So what I'll do, I'll click here, the drop down. As you can see, this is tutorial.kalahari energy and logistic.com.ng. So I'll click on it. This WP here, you can remove it because this WP here will not take you to the main directory. It will take you to the WP management. So I will remove it. As you can see, this is the WordPress version. Okay, you can choose and select your own version. So I'll scroll down and then you put your password. I can use something like admin, and I can use the password. I can use something like let me hide my password. Okay, so now here is it. So you can go ahead and here you can select the plugins, backups, and improve page speed, and all the plugins. You can install it, but let's first of all install our WordPress. So I'll scroll down, you see install. So start the installation. Okay, I'll click on never. So let's wait for it to install. Boom guys, we are here. So congratulations, the software was installed successfully. Okay, so now you have installed your WordPress. If you're a WordPress designer, anything that you want to use it for, okay, place to get a cheap domain, you can put it on the comment section. I'll show you where you can get it. Okay, so if this video is helpful to you, consider by subscribing to my channel, share this video for more people to have the idea that all this cheap free hosting and the free domain, they are not working anymore. Okay, they should look for one domain name and purchase a simple domain name and create subdomain from it. Even though you want to create like 10 or 20 subdomain, you can do it. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching my video. Do so to subscribe, share this video also. I'll see you guys on my next video.